Alright, so I realized I haven't been posting these, but I'm going to do 2 unboxings. One is by Witchbox. The other is by so Witchbox UK, and then Witch Casket is also here. So both my UK boxes. Alright, so this is the first one. You open up Witchbox. Secrets lie within, as always. We have our little art. Growth starts with us. Let's zoom in, drag it before it focuses good. This to the side. Actually, I don't know if it unwraps pretty. Yeah. Anyway. Growth starts with you, not us, but still, same difference. Oh, how to make a garden altar. That's cool. I like that. Of course, you can always pause it to read. And of course, we have our, booklet for January. And same with the paper. We got first thing on top is these little cards. Got some magical recipe cards. Are they all for Sabbats? It is. That's cool. Litha celebration salad. Dandelion leaves. Got pumpkin soup for Samhain, a blank ingredient, blank ingredient. That's cool. I mean, I kind of wish they would have done, I don't know, maybe like in bulk or all of them, all the Sabbats for like a single recipe. But it's cool that they give you a couple and then some blank cards. It's also kind of annoying the cut is off, but that's okay. Still really pretty. I like the artwork, of course. Here, let's keep that there. Next thing on top is a card holder. Garden Witch's recipe stand. Oh, so you can put your cards in there. And of course it has the moon phases. Painted black. It's nice and heavy actually, and pretty thick. So then you just take your cards. Oh, this one's too wide. And you just stick it in there, and then it stays. Very cool. Very cool. Ooh, next we have our spell kit for the month. And of course it has everything we need, which is spell for personal growth. Ooh, a little bay leaf, basil leaf, no, bay leaves. We got some mint in there, some seeds, snap and squeeze honey. Huh, that's cool. Little mess-free honey packet. It's really heavy actually. Of course you have a pencil in there. That's cool. Go ahead and open these. You can see the instructions. And yeah, bay leaf. And we have our mint and our bay leaves back in there. I think this is just an empty scroll. Yeah, this is an empty scroll to write your intentions on. That's cool. Nice little spell kit. I believe this whole box is garden themed, so, or garden witch. Just can't get through it without having these. And here in this bright green satchel, we have our stone. see if we can guess it first. Kind of looks like Kabbalah Jasper. Yep, Kabbalah Jasper. Look at that. Don't work with stones anymore, and I still know them. Now, I still love stones, and I still buy stones and have stones. I just don't literally physically work with them. Like, I don't... Like, I work with them in the magical and spiritual sense. I just don't work with them in the money sense. Like, I don't work at the Elysian Fields anymore, where I used to learn stones all the time and constantly figure out new ones. Now I just kind of more or less, if I find it and the intention's right, then I get it. Next, we have a big box. Enchanted Garden Mister. Beautiful glass mister featuring Tree of Life. Use a spritzer to, used to spritz your herbs and plants, or add fragrance to your home. So it has a little Tree of Life charm, and it's just a little like flower base. Yeah, little mister. Little mister. So, it's cute. Nice and lovely. Use that for my little flowers that I unintentionally am growing. I have these stuff right here growing off of dead rose stems, and then they started to bud with new roses. So, or not roses, but they're not budding, they're just growing leaves, and I can't tell if they're dying, if the new leaves are starting. I don't know what's going on, honestly, with it, and I'm not a green thumb at all, so it is beyond me. A ritual chant for insight. That's cool. That's what a scroll is. Beautiful. I would zoom out, but as soon as I zoom out, it doesn't focus, so we're stuck being zoomed in. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, I'll zoom out for this because it's a mess. Let me clean this up somehow. Just what my house needs, more bells. All right, I think we got our first Litha product, which is bells. And of course it has the little ties on there to hang down. And our little bells, the little fake leaves. Oh, and some keys. That's really cool. I like that. Just needs to go on a door handle now that doesn't already have bells, so probably the bathroom door, I'm guessing, as long as my cat doesn't attack that door. Put bells on the bedroom door, but then he started smacking the bedroom door. So, oh, this is cute. The pen is a teacup. I'll go ahead and take it out so it doesn't have that horrible stupid glare from the stupid plastic wrap. So there we are, a little teacup with, of course, our little bouquet in there. It's really pretty. Nice and pretty. I like the gold ones. And then we'll just put that up out of frame. All right, and that's everything in the Witchbox UK box. So let's go ahead and put that over there, and I'll put this over there, and then we'll get into the witch casket box. And looks like that. Witch Casket, Magical Rituals for January. I'll just take this pamphlet out and then we'll get right into it. So we got, oh, first let me check off this pamphlet. Make sure we got everything. I'm sure we did. Let's see. BOS page, we got magical recipe cards, we got exclusive, which is bells, the pen, Kabbalah Jasper, or I say Kabbalah, but it's Kambaba Jasper. Kabbalah Jasper is a whole nother thing. I say the same thing. We got the art piece, of course. We got the garden mister. We got the recipe stand. And then the spell for personal growth. So, yep, we got everything. So, of course, it says for your bells, you can, of course, cleanse and purify, which is kind of what I try to do with them. We also have connecting with the earth, daytime grounding ritual. And then we have herb substitutes for the spell. And then, of course, upcoming dates. The 1st through the 2nd is Imbolc. February 9th is Supermoon. And then January 20th, we have the season of Aquarius moves into. So we got everything from there. Then now, into the Witch Casket officially. We have our art, double bubble, boil and trouble. Monthly manifestations card on the back as usual. And, oh, there's something on top. I didn't see it. It was so dark. Another book, Book of Rituals. Book of Rituals is a journal book. Oh, interesting. So it's like a ritual report book. So you can log your rituals and, say whether or not you liked them, give feedback on them. That's cool. Date, the moon phase. That's nice. That's a cute little book. I do kind of a lot more little works. I don't do full-blown stuff, so. Altar Blessing Ritual Kit contains everything you need to cleanse and bless your altar. I normally don't open these, but I'll go ahead and do it for the video. I don't really open them until I actually use them, typically. So some of my videos, if you see I don't open them, that's why. I just like to keep them sealed. We have a long, skinny white candle, a couple herbs, and then the altar blessing ritual itself. So the herbs is dillweed and mint. There's some quartz chips in here too. Very little, very few. And yeah, that's about it. So you light the candle. So you encircle it with the mint, dillweed, quartz chips. Create your circle clockwise to attract blessings. Light the candle, and then basically state that you want to clean up your altar. You want negativity to be banished. Positivity to reside and blessings to incur. So on and so forth, the typical cleansing of the altar. And we got more spell candles. I see green. We got black, green, and purple. And I think they're the same long, skinny ones. So, not as skinny as the one in the kit. But, yeah, some typical Typical good colors. I think it even says like, yeah, it even says what they tie to. So you got black for protection, banishing hexing, green for money, abundance and good fortune, purple for enchantment or enlightenment, I mean psychic ability and spirituality. So really cool, really cool. You can never go wrong with some more candles. Of course we have our scroll with the horrible sticker. I don't have any fake nails on, so I can probably peel this. So my nails are really dirty, as they always are in my videos. So it always seems like the time for the boxes is always the time for me to clean my nails. No, it just happens to be that I was doing stuff those days. All right, self-empowerment ritual. Oop. That's all, folks. No, I'm just kidding. All right. That's cool. They're so bouncy. Always love a good scroll. I'm running out of room in my Book of Shadows things. Oh, here we got a decorative ritual bowl. Wow. I gotta love that Witch Casket really does a lot of art on everything. Use this decorative ritual bowl to blend your magical components together for spell work. It can also be used as an offering dish or receptacle for your small altar curiosities or crystals. Hand wash only. And it has the vine growing through there, through there. So, oh, Witch Casket on the bottom. It's nice, like light purple color. Oh, that's unique. That's unique. So here's the like fake wood kind of design, just the knotting a little bit. The Witch Casket symbol on the bottom. And the moon bottom with again more of that like wood vine detail in the stained glass. It's very cool. And it's just like a 10. So definitely be okay for like crystals and stuff like that, but nothing no fire. But yeah, it's good size. Wow. Next we have our crystal, maybe? Is it stuck? Okay. We have fluorite. Did I say fluorite? Because that's my favorite. It sure is. Let's go back to where you can see this. Alright, fluorite. Fluorite helps cleanse, purify, and stabilize, which helps concentration, organization, and memory. It can also absorb negative energy and stress and encourage new ideas, learning, and confidence. And then we have our crystal ball and our fluorite. Very cool, very cool. Let's up to the lights. There. Nice and pretty. Yeah, like fluorite tucks. I'll smell it. Yeah. Pretty. I always love it when they have a good rainbow in them. Like right there. Very nice. I love fluorite. Who doesn't? Who doesn't love fluorite, honestly? And then another satchel for the books. Alright, next we have some ornate wooden slice ritual tile. Is that what it says? Pretty sure that's what it says. I can't read, so I'm only a scholar, but I can't read. Okay. Okay, it's leaving a little bit of dark on me, so I'll have to note on that. Their oil staining is still, you can tell, Still a little on there, but this is beautiful. It's just a wooden slab with some beautiful carving in there. So, and it is actually carved. But yeah, it's leaving my fingers a little dark. I kind of figured too when I took it out in the box and it had the like ash still on there. But it's not burnt, so it definitely is just an oil stain. But it's still really beautiful nonetheless. Next we have, do we have 2 incenses? No, we don't. Okay. Oh, we got another wand. We got a wand. But first we have a ritual power-up incense. Always love that. Light the incense and affirm magical power. I call to me as I will it, so mote it be. And it is a blend of bergamot and lavender. What? Oh my gosh. Oh, they got my heart and soul with that. I just drank some lavender earlier. Really nice. I just had a tincture of lavender. Just Lavandula officialis tincture in my water. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wish y'all could smell that. The bergamot with the lavender, like the beautiful lavender scent that's really calming, along with the citrusy bergamot orange scent is just lovely. Very, very lovely. Next we have Witch Casket exclusive spell casting candle holder. It is heavy. There we go. No? All right. Yeah, basically witch casket holder. Okay, candle holder. And you're shrinking. All right. My stand is not the greatest. Oh, I just noticed there's no little what you call it in there. This kind that Tuck likes to eat. Those little beads. Not beads. Packing peanuts. So we got our little pentagram on the bottom. And it feels like a cast iron. I believe that's what it said. Spellcasting. It doesn't say. Probably does in the pamphlet. But it looks and feels like cast iron. And of course it just has a little slot for your candles. So you just do like that. Take your little candle. And this is what makes it easier to do that spell too. And you just plop it in the middle. And it holds. So then just like that spell calls, you just put your herbs and your crystals around the outside of it. Let the candle burn. Typically it actually burns down into the center, but it's like enough where you can just pop it out. I only saying that because I do have one somewhere. There we go. I have one like this, and you can see very little goes on the sides. So, and of course I just have my salt. So yeah, these are very, very neat if you ever been considering getting one. Or if you just got one in Witch Casket and you want to get a couple more, make sure you go to their website, because of course if you're a Witch Casket subscriber, you do get access to all of their goodies, or the Emporium, but you have to subscribe to be able to get the password. Then our pen is a cauldron. Lovely, lovely cauldron. And it's silver. It looks kind of like a weird gold, like gold, silver, gold mixture. But it is a cauldron for that one. And next we have our wand. So, magic wand. Okay. Ooh, that is pretty. That is pretty. Like curvature. That is beautiful. really light wood. I like the little carving on it. And this actually is a burnt carved. That's cool. It does hold perfectly. You know? You can do some Harry Potter shit. If I could do editing, I would do that, but I can't do editing. So this video is going to go up with literally 0 edits, 0 cuts. It's just going to be what it is. It is what it is. It is what you see. And I ain't fooling no one. But yeah, that is beautiful. I like it. I like it. Alright, so it's that time where we gotta pick favorites from each box. You know, I hate to just do probably the biggest items from the boxes, but I think I'm gonna do that. Which box UK is going to be the little mister, just because it's really beautiful and I like it. And of course, Witch's Roots, or Witch's, no, which box UK is going to be the mister, and which casket is going to be the wand that we just shown. On top of also the bergamot lavender incense, so can't go wrong with that. This is really cool too, though. I like the art of it. So along with cast iron, everything was really cool actually. So like and subscribe below, pick out your favorite items, tell me what they were on the bottom. Oh, let's real quick go over the witch casket pamphlet, see if they say what type of wood it is. So the bowl does not say what it is. The wooden magical wand does not say what kind of wood it is. Oh, it does. It's a acacia, if I'm saying that right. ACACIA, acacia wood. The candle holder does not say if it is cast iron. Of course, the money candles, the fluorite ritual power-up incense, the altar blessing kit, the cauldron the cauldron enamel pen, self-empowerment scroll, and the art. So yeah, I got everything from them. Of course, you know, you could take a picture, have them get featured. So yeah. All right, that is all for this.